My name's Mackenzie Armstrong.
I'm Ethan.
I'm
an apprentice
bricklayer
bricklayer for PHS Brickwork. I chose brickwork because I didn't really know what else to do, rather be out there instead of being in a classroom. Never thought I'd actually get on a high-end site like Robertson homes.
The site visit experience was helpful by showing us how things work daily on site.
Really eye-opening, just seeing it all firsthand. Made us wanting more, pushed us even further.
I was thinking that's what I want my future to be like, and it's how I see myself in the future, being a bricklayer. The masterclass was very friendly because he showed you step by step how each cut was made, how each brick was laid, and how to level everything, and just how to make it look overall good at the very end of it.
Pushed us even further to want this job even more, work harder for it.
The real experience did help us because I got an insight of what my life was going to be after college, and obviously I haven't even finished college yet, and I've already seen what my future is going to look like.
Keep going, be a bricklayer after this apprenticeship, maybe get site manager.
Hopefully a bricklayer or a site manager. I'm aiming at.